Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another video. Before we start this video, I just want to thank everyone for being my subscribers. I'm saying that because, believe it or not, my channel just passed 1,000 subscribers, and that I really appreciate it. I cannot say that enough. I really appreciate it, and I really want to thank you again and again for being a subscribers, for trusting me on this channel. And if you are new, or if you are watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to go and subscribe, because that will help me a lot. I hope that everyone is doing good with the COVID-19. I hope that everyone is safe. Make sure you follow the rules and regulations that is put in place to fight against COVID-19. Remember, we are in this all together, right? And then if you can help minimize the spread of the COVID-19, that would be very helpful as well. Make sure you wash your hand regularly. Make sure that you put your mask on, and then stay home if you are sick. That's pretty much it, right? All right, some of my viewers have asked me what type of camera I use for my video, and to answer to that question, we need to go back to the beginning of my channel. This channel basically was created in 2018, and I have been filming with the iPhone SE. Well, you all know what iPhone SE is. It was good at that time, but the quality of the video are not that great. That's why you will see that some of my video does not perform well. Like the quality, the color, the light are not doing great. But you know, as a beginner, you just film it with whatever you have in your hand. And as time goes on, I started saving money, and then from that iPhone SE, I moved to the JVC, and as you can see, it's not bad. It's a good camera that can record 1080p, but it does not perform well in low light condition. And again, that's why you're gonna see that my video are also dark time to times. And from there, then I moved to the iPhone 10, and that was also a good camera, but again, it was not doing it properly. But now I was able to save some money and move to the Canon ADD. I know it's not a professional camera or anything, but this get the job done. In a camera, what do you actually need these days? A way to record your video, a way to have an autofocus that is very important if you are a YouTuber, and then a good lens. And this camera comes with a perfect lens, has a autofocus, and has a, what should I say, a touch screen. This is sick. That's what is important. Again, you see now it's closed because we can actually open it, which is one plus. We can rotate it, this is second, because rotation here of the screen means that you can see exactly how this camera is doing. You can see exactly where the camera is focusing, and with a quick touch on the screen, you can refocus. That is amazing for camera. It's not the best camera out there, but as a beginner, this is the best camera that you can have, and it has everything. Time to times, I do photo. I'm also a part-time photographer. So basically what I do, I use this camera to take pictures too, right? So that's helped me to make some other income. In this video is not really an unboxing or a review or anything. I'm not doing a review of the Canon ADD. If you want a review, I can do it, but I'm sure that there's a lot of people that has done already a review about this Canon ADD. Also, we'll be doing an unboxing, not an unboxing, a full review of the Canon ADD, the positive sides and the negative sides of the Canon ADD. But for the meantime, I really love it. The lens is massive. Like it goes up, like the range is very amazing. I locked it up right now, but as you can see, it's good. It takes good pictures, and video quality is amazing. Again, it does not shoot 4K. I know most people these days want 4K, but how many of you actually have a 4K TV? That's the thing, because there's no point of people making 4K video if you cannot take advantage of it. In the future, yes, I will start making 4K videos if this channel gives me a lot of money. If you guys subscribe, if you guys comment and like this video, that will help me a lot to move forward and to have some revenue and to be able to upgrade my channel, to be able to always give you the best content ever, right? So yeah, again, like I said, it's not a review, but I can show you basically how the box looks like. Basically, this is it. It comes with the EFS 18135 IS USM kit. That is the lens. Let me take it out, I'll show you. Here, you're gonna press this button to take it out. Okay, there we go. And this is the lens. So it has, you can see, it has a stabilizer, has autofocus. You can put it on autofocus, manual or auto. And this is the lens basically. And this, the autofocus is so amazing that it does not make any noise. Like, you know, some of camera when the lens is trying to focus, you see that it's making some noise. Like you see that this is turning and you hear the noise click, 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 click. This one does not. And your video will be clear and no noise. Okay, and that's what I like about this. This has a let me see, I have not gone through the whole thing yet, but I believe for ports, this is where you want to put your memory card. And on this side, the best thing about this is you can put your microphone inside. So right now I'm recording from my iPhone 11 Pro, okay, because I'm doing this video, right? But if I was recording with this camera, I will be using the microphone. This is not a microphone yet. I think the microphone is up here somewhere. There, yeah. So you have a microphone, you have a headset, so you can speak through. You can speak directly through the camera and also hear what you are saying. That is crazy, right? That's pretty much it, and it is just amazing, really. I love this camera, and again, maybe in the future I will do a full review and how to set it up for the camera to give you a best performance. And then again, let's continue with the box here, and I see you have the picture of the camera, and then this is actually 24.2 megapixels. And then yeah, again, I don't want to do a review now on this. I don't want the video to be too long, but again, if you are a YouTuber and you just started and you want to know what kind of camera you can use to make good content for a beginner, that is the camera. It's not too expensive. You can buy this secondhand, because this is out, it has been out for a while now. You can get it secondhand and it will still perform very well. Okay, brand new too, you can buy it around 1,000. But this one actually came with a let me show you. This actually came with the bag. Yeah, this came with a bag where I keep all my stuff. Like I said, I'm a YouTuber and I'm also a photographer. So I have all my stuff here, and then that's all that I use when I'm going to take people's pictures, wedding pictures, birthday pictures. And then I always put everything here, right? And then I have my flash here, this that I use, which is a very, very good flash actually. I can also do another review on this alone, but you know, yeah, that is pretty much it. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Basically, there's nothing fancy here, just one camera, and then yeah, all right. Don't forget to leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this camera, whether you are using the same camera, or what camera do you recommend to me to switch to. Eventually I will be changing camera, but let me know in the comment down below which one do you think will be best for my channel. Okay, that being said, again, I really want to thank every one that has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. I will continue doing my hard work to bring you guys good content. And again, stay safe, and then stay home if you don't have to go out until we have a vaccine for this COVID-19. That being said, this is Maxi Limit signing out. I'll see you in the next one.